The king of pickups is dead. Long live the Raptor. Hi, I'm American Cars and Racing Executive Editor Gary Gaslew, and this is a car report. You know, for the past couple of years, the Ram 1500 TRX has been the most powerful pickup you can buy with a gasoline-powered motor. It's 6.2-liter supercharged V8 rated at 702 horsepower. Its nickname was T-Rex because it was definitely the king and loved burning that dyno juice. But then a weird thing happened last year. Ford showed up with a new Raptor R that had a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 rated at 700 horsepower, which left a lot of people confused. How could you show up knowing exactly what the benchmark is and not be able to crank out an extra 3 horsepower to beat it? This sounds like nothing. It sounds like a rounding error, but somehow that's what Ford decided to do, and they blew it off like, no big deal. Well, since then, we've learned that the TRX is being discontinued at the end of this year, along with all of Ram's 1500 pickups with V8s. Next year, the most powerful engine is going to be a new turbocharged inline 6-cylinder, which maxes out at 540 horsepower for now. And with that, Ford has now revealed that the Raptor R is getting an upgrade next year. That's going to increase its output to 720 horsepower, thanks to, and I quote, reduced air inlet losses. Also gets a new engine calibration. And that is probably the last word as far as gasoline-powered pickups are concerned, certainly V8-powered pickups. General Motors never even got into this battle. Its most powerful 1500s have 420 horsepower. But the Raptor R isn't even close to being the most powerful pickup you could buy. The Rivian R1T is an 835 horsepower all-wheel drive train. The Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast, 845 horsepower. And leaving them all in the dust is the GMC Hummer EV with 1,000 horsepower. But you know what else has 1,000 horsepower? It's a crate motor version of that inline 6-cylinder in the Ram that Mopar's been working on, which just shows the potential of that engine. Will the next TRX come with something like that under the hood? Well, if you want to stay in the loop and make sure you find out when we find out, subscribe to our YouTube channel and head on over to AmericanCarsAndRacing.com every day for the latest automotive and racing news.